It's South Africa taking on Pakistan. It's the second one-day international.
South Africa that have won the toss and they've decided they will field first.
Pakistan unchanged, I think. And what was great about that performance in the first ODI was how well they made a comeback.
South Africa, well, they've made lots of changes, Safis. There's plenty of changes to this lineup. Tony Dezorzi, you'll see Temba Bavuma's back as captain at the top of the order, so that means Ryan Rickleton misses out.
Abdullah Shafiq needs to perform better as an opener. Saim Ayub on the other end was a beautiful player to watch.
Marco Jansen started off really well in that previous game. Lovely shot. Away it goes across the ground, and Pakistan will begin with a 4. There you go. Number 1 for South Africa. That man, Marco Jansen, with the breakthrough.
Abdullah Shafiq goes for naught, 5 for 1.
Great numbers for Babar Azam. Shot well manipulated into the gap, just opened to face Babar Azam.
There's an edge, and it's wide of the keeper. Top edge, might be out, is out. Catch is taken. It's a little bit of good fortune for Mapaka, but he's picked up his first wicket. That's his first wicket in one-day international cricket for South Africa. Fana Dawson doesn't drop catches down there, and it is the big wicket of Saim Ayub.
Saim Ayub goes for 25.
Mohammad Rizwan is a fine cricketer. Again, just drives that one beautifully. What a shot that is. That is just magnificent to watch.
There we go, there we go. Goes for it and absolutely middles it. Goes for the scoop. Did he get some on it? The way that Klaasen has reacted, you would think he did. The same from Aiden Markram. He was in position early, and what that does mean is that the keeper can anticipate. 101 for 2 after 23. That's nicely played. The placement is superb. Slightly overpitched from Aiden Markram. Brings up his 33rd one-day international 50 for Babar Azam off 73 deliveries. That's nicely played. Use of the feet, trying to target the area where there's no man back.
Oh, he's picked that up. He's picked that up superbly. That's a fine strike. That's it well. Very well indeed, and that's gone for 6. Just that single makes it 10 now, so this is potentially a big one for Pakistan. Brings up the 50 for the skipper. Leg side, put away, nice and fine for 4. Runs are coming now. Got him! Picked him up. Straight to him. Short delivery, that's a bit of a bonus. Babar Azam